question 8. It's 3 marks. The question says the mean of 7 numbers is 60. The mean of 3 of the numbers is 46. Work out the mean of the other 4 numbers. Now, this is a nice question. The mean is equal to the sum over how many are there, right? So for this first line here, 7 numbers, the mean is 60. So 60 is the mean, equals the sum of the 7, which we don't know, divide by how many are there. There are 7. So to find the sum of these 7 is equals to 60 times 7. So that's 60 times 7. So the sum of the 7 numbers is 6 times 7 is 42, so it's 420. That's good. Now, for the 3 numbers, we do the same. The mean of the 3 is 46, so 46 is equal to the sum of those 3 numbers divided by 3. That means the sum of the 3 is equal to 46 times 3. Just plug this in your calculator. It gives you the answer. So it's 46 times 3, which is 138. After doing this, let's read the question. The question says work out the mean of the other 4 numbers. Now, the 7 numbers add up to 420. The 3 numbers add up to 138. That means the sum of the 4 numbers is equal to the sum of the 7 numbers minus the sum of these 3 numbers. So it's equals to 420 minus 138. That gives you 282. Now, if you have the sum, the mean is very easy. So the mean is equal to the sum, which is 282. How many numbers are there? It's 4 numbers. And if you do 282 divided by 4, it gives you 70.5. And that's just the mean of the 4 numbers. Was it easy? You get this question? Now, let's look at question 9 here. Is this